guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my pregnancy update for week 19.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Baby is the size of, wait for it, oh, a mango. I love mangoes. 6 inches long now. Half of a ruler. It's developing that white coating. I don't know how to say it. Vernix Cisoria. And then it talks about how the baby is kicking like crazy now. Something changed this week and now it's so exciting. I'm feeling the baby every day, multiple times a day. So before it was a little spotty, and I think I went like 10 days only feeling it once, but something clicked this week and I'm feeling the baby so much, especially still at night in the morning, and it's just really nice to have that consistency now. Let's see, last week was kind of terrible. This week, definitely better, but not awesome. My energy still sucks. I'm confused with whether or not I have a bug or not, or if it's just pregnancy. I mentioned last week that my son ended up getting a fever and I had body aches and just chills, and I just felt and still kind of feel sick, but I haven't had a fever. My throat's a little sore too. And again, I've just been really struggling with my energy level this week. So I don't know. I think maybe it's a little bit from pregnancy, a little bit of a bug. I took my temperature like 2 or 3 times, certain I was gonna have a fever. I just, you know, that feverish feeling, but it always came back as a normal temperature. So we'll see. I'm hoping next week is better energy wise, because it's no fun to be tired. And sick wise, I don't know, I'm still sick. I do have like a dramatic sick throwing up story. I mentioned before that like I'm very calm about throwing up. I know my body, I know it's coming, and I rarely have to like run for the bathroom. Well, earlier this week I was driving to work on the freeway going 70 miles an hour, and the nausea hit intensely, and the next exit was 5 miles ahead, and I had to throw up in my coffee. That happened. So dangerous. Yeah, so that was no fun. I don't know, when I get sick, like when it's happening, I'm like feeling so sorry for myself and cursing, but it's really fleeting. Like afterwards I feel pretty okay. So dramatic story, but it's really not that dramatic. I guess the only other thing worth mentioning is my shortness of breath. I've talked about that the last couple of weeks. It is even worse this week. I feel like my lungs must be really overcrowded right now. I am just, I'm sure you can hear, really short of breath. And what made it especially notable this week is I was trying to go to bed, I think just last night. So like just laying down, relaxing. And I was like trying to catch my breath, and it was scary because I was not doing anything and I felt like I couldn't breathe correctly. It almost turned into a mini panic attack, I think, because it was just a really awful, yucky feeling. So I just kept telling myself, like, I know it feels like you can't breathe, but you're obviously breathing and you're okay. And eventually I just fell asleep, but it kept me up at like a good hour and a half. It was really unpleasant. Let me know if you've ever dealt with that. Like your shortness of breath is so severe that it happens when you're not doing anything, when you're trying to sleep. Like before, I think it was, you know, during talking or walking or exercising, I definitely noticed it, but just laying there in silence, you wouldn't think it would be so dramatic, but it was intense. Next week is week 20. I go to my big scan in a few days to make sure everything's okay. We're not finding out the gender. Still nervous about that they're gonna screw it up, but I am really excited because I think, I mean, if everything goes well, this will be my last ultrasound. And the first ultrasound I had, it looked like nothing but a blob. So I'm excited to get a few pictures of this baby and kind of get a little bit of an idea about what he or she will look like. I can't wait. My sister-in-law's 20-week scan picture is so funny. The baby just looks identical to my nephew. Like, it's just so funny how distinguishable their profiles are already. So I'm really, really looking forward to that, though nervous that they're gonna ruin it. I'm gonna mention it every 2 seconds. Do not tell me the sex of this baby. And I'm gonna look away anytime they're near the legs. That's my plan so far. I'll show you my bump. I feel like this shirt, this isn't a maternity shirt, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear this shirt too much more. I have been getting maternity clothes here and there. I have a pretty good collection, but I definitely need to catch my breath. What do talk show hosts do when they're pregnant? Or like news anchors. I have a pretty good collection of maternity clothes. I do need a few more pieces. Let me know in the comments your favorite brand or store, wherever, to get maternity clothes. I need one more pair of leggings for sure. I don't know if I need another pair of jeans. I might be able to get by with what I have. And just a couple more shirts, I think, will get me through at least until late winter. So that is everything. Next time I see you, I think I'll have pictures of the anatomy scan. I can't wait. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Catch me on Instagram at Danielle Gets It Done. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys. And look at my cleavage.
Ooh.